I'm Maureen from Mobility Plus. Thank you for purchasing your Golden LiteRider Envy Power Wheelchair. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to charge your wheelchair. When you purchase the chair, you receive the charger with it. The charger has two ends, one that goes into the wheelchair to charge it, the other one that plugs into the wall that gives power to the charger and to the chair. First, we're going to plug the wheelchair in. You'll be able to find the charger mechanism underneath the arm of the chair right here. And you're just going to plug it right in. Then you're going to take the wall plug, plug it into any regular outlet. When the chair is charging, you'll see a red light at the bottom. When the chair is fully charged, this light will be green. Then you'll know your chair is ready to go. Another way you can charge this chair is through the battery box. To do so, you're going to start by removing the seat of the chair. The only way to take the battery box out is to remove the seat. In order to do so, you must unplug the seat from the wheelchair right here. When that's done, you're going to easily just lift the seat right off of the wheelchair by putting the seat back down, grabbing the front and the back, and pulling straight up. Then you're just going to pull the battery box directly out of the wheelchair, like this. You'll find the charging mechanism on the bottom, right here in the middle. You're just going to turn it to open it. You can bring it into the house or the hotel, wherever you're staying, and then just charge it by plugging it in. It's that simple.
Something important to note about your Powerchair's battery is that you should not leave it plugged in for more than overnight. Doing so can cause the battery to expand and eventually lead to more battery replacements down the line. Even if you haven't used your Powerchair, it's a good idea to plug it in at least once a week for a healthy charge. Especially if you've had prolonged use with your Powerchair, feel free to charge it more than once a week. And again, any standard outlet will work. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Powerchair.